Santa come?
Yes!
Wow.
Wow!
All right. More people over here.
When you talk into the remote, I say what you say.
No, pull the lever down, Mikey.
All the presents!
All the presents. Did you get everything you wanted?
Yeah!
Yeah?
Yeah!
Oh,
Oh,
see, I
wait.
told you that Santa probably left something at Mimi's.
Hi, Dory.
You just wait until Mimi tells you if that's yours.
Mommy!
Oh, thank you.
So
It
that
says
doesn't look
B
creepy.
on it.
Does that thing look
Yeah,
creepy?
yeah.
I don't know.
Take the present.
Hold this. Put that back under the tree because I don't think that's mine.
That is for me, for Mama.
Oh.
Let me
This
have
one's
it.
for Mama.
All right, I don't want it. All right, sit, and Mimi will give it to you.
Is this mine?
Hey, Mike, Honor. Come on.
Both
Back
of you
up.
sit
Back
down.
up. Back up. Back up.
Okay,
I want this one.
that one's to Mommy,
Mommy!
Wow,
Here!
thank you.
and that one's to Honor, but you can't open it yet
Oh!
because I need to find Mikey's big present.
Oh!
Yeah. Well,
That's Mommy's. That's
Yeah.
Mommy and Daddy's. You just took the bow off it.
Here, but is this his? Can this be
Nope.
Mikey?
Nope. Oh, sorry.
Is this mine?
That's yours. That's yours. Wait a minute. No, that's Thorin's.
wow.
No. Oh, look at Mimi. Well, we'll do that later because that would be less for me. All right. Honor, help. No, help. You can't open that one before you open the big one.
Oh.
You open this one first.
Hey, everyone heard that KB Toys went out of business yesterday?
Is that Mikey's?
Yeah. They just filed Chapter 11.
No, that's Mommy's.
Wow, a big.
That one, both of you get to open. All right, wait. We gotta get Mikey's big present. Okay. That's Mikey's big present. Go ahead, open it.
The cupcake maker.
Oh, wow.
Wow, Santa was tricky and left it over at
You
Mimi's.
left it at Mimi's house. I told you.
I can.
I want to try it out.
Oh, but we have all the presents open first, and then we'll try it out.
Those are Mimi's.
Wow. Well,
Whoa.
in a minute.
Wow, a car.
Oh, Whoopi, we got another one. You got another one to open. We got a trash barrel going in your bag.
Yeah, there's a little bag up there.
Wow, Mikey.
Vroom, vroom.
That is so
Look at
cool.
that.
Tom's, I can't remember who made it. Oh, Facebook. I thought it was Fisher Price. Your scissors?
Here's some scissors.
Oh, thanks.
Mikey, it's a remote. It drives all over the place. And I forgot the batteries that was in the bag.
Alright, I think you had enough.
Which one? Is this for you, Mimi?
I one that flips over. Mikey got the one that flips over. Flip. Flip. Why? Because Santa wanted to bring it to him, I guess. It's not broke. Mommy or Daddy can help us with the batteries.
What other songs do we know, Mom?
Mama. Mama.
What?
Oh no. Mama.
Where did you get this?
I don't know. I got it a long time ago. I've had it up in the closet.
I was gonna say it would be.
You were looking for one?
Yeah, I'm looking for one.
I got it a long time ago. I got it months ago this summer. K-I-S.
He's a Mr. Alligator. Can't catch me.
Wow. I didn't remember that.
You remember that one. Two little monkeys swinging in a tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator. Can't catch me.
No.
Okay, you do it. You do it.
All of the monkeys hanging on the tree. I'm teasing Mr. Alligator. Can't catch me.
Here comes Mr. Alligator. Sneaky as can be.
And snap.
One little monkey swinging in a tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator.
What's that other one, Mama?
Here comes Mr. Alligator, sneaky as can be, and
Snap.
Whoops, sorry.
Oh, look out. You can pull it off the table.
This is my manger for
Yeah. It's a nice manger.
Christmas.